I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks in Minecraft Bedrock. Command blocks are incredibly powerful tools for automating tasks and creating custom game mechanics. To begin, ensure cheats are enabled in your world settings and you are in creative mode. Then, simply type /give_s command block into your chat to receive one. This block is your gateway to advanced in-game automation and creativity. There are three main types of command blocks, each with a unique function. The orange impulse block executes its command just one time when it receives a redstone signal. Green chain blocks activate in sequence after the block before them runs successfully. Finally, the blue repeat block continuously executes its command as long as it remains powered. Choosing the correct type is crucial for your desired automation. Within each command block, you will find important settings to configure. The conditional option means the block will only run if the command in the preceding block was successful. Unconditional means it will always try to run. Needs redstone requires an external redstone signal to activate the block, while always active allows the block to run continuously without any redstone input, once placed. Command blocks open up a world of possibilities. You can use them to teleport players to specific coordinates, give or clear items from inventories, or even send custom messages to everyone in the game using the /say command. A crucial tip: always test your commands in the regular chat window first. This ensures they work as intended before you embed them into a command block, saving you time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.